Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. So we all know that our cords like getting twisted every single time. Now this video is going to help you create this cute little cord wraps to help your cord stop tangling. And guys, these cord wraps are reversible, so you can use any side based on your mood. Basically, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys love it. So I have other scrap projects that you guys can make on this channel. I'm going to link it down below in the description box so that you guys can go check out every single thing. They are amazing. You don't need a lot of fabric and you would make amazing things. Without further ado, let's get started with this cord wrap.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a...
And guys, this is what it looks like. It didn't even take long to make. It's actually easy, beginner friendly. I love it. Guys, please, if you try it out, tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Also subscribe to the channel, like this video. It helps YouTube know that I'm giving you guys great content on this channel. Comment in the comment section, share within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.